Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Midnight in Shadow Fight Arena. Midnight is a formidable hero, known for her lightning-fast attacks and unique teleportation ability. Understanding her core mechanics is crucial for success. She thrives in close-range engagements, delivering quick, impactful strikes. Her Shadow Shift allows for incredible mobility, letting you surprise foes or escape danger. Mastering her critical hit timing will significantly boost your damage output, making every strike count. Let's dive into her abilities. Midnight's offensive game is all about speed and precision. Start by chaining her light attacks into heavy ones to create devastating combos. Her Shadow Shift isn't just for defense. Use it aggressively to instantly close distances and catch opponents off guard. Pay close attention to your opponent's recovery frames after their attacks. This is your window for precise follow-up strikes. Dedicate time to practicing her special moves, as they are key to extending your combos and delivering significant burst damage. While Midnight is an offensive powerhouse, her defensive capabilities are equally vital. Master the art of dodging and blocking to minimize incoming damage from your adversaries. After successfully blocking an opponent's attack, seize the opportunity to launch an immediate counterattack. Her Shadow Shift is an excellent tool for escaping perilous situations or strategically repositioning yourself on the arena. Learning to anticipate your opponent's moves will allow you to parry their attacks, creating crucial openings for your own offense. For advanced Midnight players, combining Shadow Shift with critical hits can lead to truly devastating damage. Understanding character-specific matchups is paramount. Tailor your strategy to exploit each opponent's weaknesses. Don't be afraid to experiment with various talent builds to discover what best complements your individual playstyle. Maintaining consistent pressure on your opponent is key. This prevents them from recovering and keeps them on the defensive. With practice, you'll master Midnight and dominate the Shadow Fight Arena.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.